Introducing the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a trailer hitch, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as front side impact airbags, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.